Top Reviewer. In this video, I listed top 5 best bench planer in 2023. Please note that the price can be changed at any time.
Number 5.
1850W Multifunction Electric Planer Woodworking Power Tool 220 volts HomeSingle-sided High Power Desktop Machinery Wood Planer 1850W. Orders 11. Review 3. Rating 5. 28% off. Brand name YESOK. Rated input power 1850W. Certification. Frequency 50 Hz. Weight 28 kg. Power 1850W. Planning width 305 mm. Planning once 03 arm. No load speed 8500 R per minute. Price $360. Check description below for product link.
Number 4.
Desktop Planer FSY 125 Planer Automatic Feeding Woodworking Planning Wood Flat Planer Household Small Electric Tools. Orders 3. Review 1. Rating 5. 23% off. Brand name LZHZXY. Origin Mainland China. Model number FSY 125. Type bench planer. Rated power 2000 W. Condition new. Rated voltage 220 V 50 Hz. Table size 316*238 mm.
Number 3.
2kW 13-inch Woodworking Press Planer Portable Electric Planing Machine Desktop Planer Sheet Surface Planer. Orders 1. Reviews 1. Rating 5. 28% off. Type double side planer. Origin Mainland China. Condition new. Certification none. Product name 13-inch portable planer. Voltage 220 volts. No load speed 8000 R per minute. Plane height 10,160 mm. Power 2000 W. Plane width 330 mm.
Number 2.
Multifunction Woodworking Planning Machine Small Household Woodwork Press Planer Machine High Power Electric Single-Sided Planer. Orders 7. Review 0. Rating 13% off. Brand name LZHZXY. Certification none. Condition new. Voltage 220 volts. No load speed 8500 R per minute. Power 1850 W. Feed rate 6 meters per minute. Planning width 304 mm. Product purification 26.5 kilograms. Price $278.40.
Number 1.
12-inch Woodworking Multifunction Planer Power Tools Household Single-Sided High Power Desktop Planer. Orders 1. Review 1. Rating 5. 5% off. Brand name STR. Condition new. Certification none. Origin Mainland China. Type Thicknesse. No load speed 9000 R per minute. Feed rate 8 M per minute. Planning height 5150 mm. Planning width 318 mm. Price $637.50. Check description below for product link. Please click subscribe button and press bell icon to get more videos. Thanks for watching.